Welcome back. Now, one of the options you're going to see in your pricing area is that you can set what's called set out of stock options. We're going to click in this button. And when all the copies of a particular product are going to be sold, you're going to be able to replace the cart with a message. You can also redirect to another page. You can also reset the countdown. Now, this would matter if when you set your quantity, you would say that you're going to have a limited number of copies available. If you reset the quantity option to unlimited, you're going to see that option go away altogether. Once you have completed all of the pricing options, you're then going to click Next. You'll then determine whether you want to set up a bump offer on this product. But for the sake of this video, in order to keep it simple, we're going to skip this feature in this particular video. You're then going to want to set your pricing processor. So it's at this point you're going to determine which payment processor you're going to use in order to take the payment for this product. You're going to click Set Up Processors. And it's here where you can determine which processors you're going to use for this particular product. We're now going to click Save. Now, if you attempt to set up Apple Pay or Google Pay, as of the recording of this video, you're going to get a message from Thrivecart stating that you're going to need to enable Stripe to collect these kinds of payments. Once you determine your processor, you're then going to click Save. If you're going to allow affiliates to promote this product, you're going to indicate that here. And for now, we're going to skip this portion of this video and we're going to click Next. We are now at the fulfillment area of your product setup. I'm going to stop the video here and we're going to pick it up from that point next. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.